In this tutorial, I will show you how to add expiration date and time in Outlook email. First of all, go to your Outlook and then just click on File. And here you have to click on Options. Now select Mail. Under Mail, scroll down until you see Send Message section. Under Send Message section, here you will find Mark messages as expired after this many days. So you have to check this box to enable. And now in this value box, you have to give the amount of days you want to expire all of your sent messages. So for example, I'm giving here 60 days. So after 60 days, all of my sent mails will be automatically expire. Now just clicking on OK, and that's it. This is how we can add expiration date and time in our Outlook. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching.